Everyone. And the double Universal Crown Directors, the next one goes to Alright. So the next one goes to none other than Mr. Sonu Sharma. Can we clap right inside, left inside, everybody at the center and the last, all together be little higher. Double Universal Crown Directors, and we have the most desirable man on stage. Thank you very much, sir. And now we have double crown directors, and the first one goes to Mr. Virendra Pratap Singh.
आप बैठ जाएंगे तो मजा आएगा आपको भी यार। प्लीज है ना, पीछे वालों को नजर नहीं आता। आप कोई साबु नहीं है, बैठ जाओ।
Many congratulations once again, Mr. Virendra Pratap Singh. क्या हमें आप सभी की जोरदार तालियां मिल सकती हैं फिर से? So let's have a beautiful picture once again with the prestigious personalities on stage. Congratulations once again. And now in the double crown directors, the next one goes to Mr. Sandeep Narwal. And photographers से मेरी request है, इनकी photographs ज़्यादा लीजिए, इनको बहुत शौक है photographs का. Let's get more and more pictures. आप सभी की जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं, please everyone. Now after this, ladies and gentlemen, we will start with Universal Crown Directors. And the first one goes to Abhishek Malik. I request, before we start with it, एक बार मैं request करूंगी फिर से, once again, the four achievers, Mr. Gaurav Bhatia, Mr. Sonu Sharma, Mr. Virendra Pratap Singh, and Mr. Sandeep Narwal to please come up on stage for the group photograph. भाटिया सर ने पूरी पैकिंग कर दी थी अपनी ट्रॉफी की, है ना? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, क्या हमें एक और बार, क्योंकि ये सब आपके इंस्पिरेशन है, तो कितनी तालियां आपके इंस्पिरेशंस के लिए? Thank you very much. So, I'll be troubling you for 5 more minutes. And I request you to please stay back with us. And now, ladies and gentlemen, Universal Crown Directors, I'll be very quick. So let's call on stage Mr. Abhishek Malik. we clap together? All those hands up in the air. Now, to come up on stage to collect this token of appreciation, Dreamers World Enterprises. अभी तो अच्छा लंच का टाइम नहीं हुआ है, इसलिए आप सबकी एनर्जी बहुत कम हो गई है, तो एनर्जी को बरकरार रखिए। फिर से एवरीबॉडी लेट्स बी गियर्ड अप। वी हैव सीरीज ऑफ अचीवर्स टू कम अप ऑन स्टेज। Now we want, by the meanwhile, Gautam brothers, get ready. Mr. Anil and Mr. Amit Gautam. Let's hear it for the Gautam brothers, everyone. Let's clap everybody all together for Gautam brothers, Mr. Anil and Mr. Amit Gautam. The next one to come up on stage, Miss Manisha Arora. Everybody, can we clap for this beautiful lady on stage, Miss Manisha? And for the next one, we have Megha and Bhupesh Mehra. Let's clap together, everybody. Come on, all together for Megha and Mr. Bhupesh Mehra. Now we have Neeraj Malviya to join us on stage. Everybody, तालियों के साथ यार, come on. RD Events, get ready. Mr. Anup Jaiswal, Mr. Avdesh. Mr. Anup and Mr. Avdesh, both are busy on and off stage. Switching on and off stage, huh? Many, many congratulations. Now we have Sanjum Bhatia to please come up on stage. Mr. Sanjum Bhatia. We got yet another name, Shivani and Himanshu Bhargav. After this, everyone get ready for the group picture. We request Universal Crown directors get ready for the group picture. So now let's take a perfect group picture. I request group picture के लिए please stage पर आएं. और एक बार सभी अचीवर्स के लिए जोरदार तालियां हमारी ऑडियंस की तरफ से. Thunder of applause is everybody. Let's cheer them up. And you know the good news कि अब हम जो next awardees achievers बुलाने वाले हैं, they all are the car achievers. So get ready for your turn, all the achievers. Thank you very much.